Hey everybody, welcome to the first lecture of Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress. I'm your instructor, Brad Hussey. Hang on tight. All right, hey everybody. First of all, I want to welcome you to the course and thank you so much for signing up. I truly appreciate it. Let me tell you why you made the right decision for choosing me and this course, Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress. I've spent a whole whack of time, hours and hours and hours putting this course together. And I spent even more hours learning these skills throughout my career so that I can put it together in a course for you. The reason why I want to teach you this is because not only is it just a really fun or cool skill to learning to code or learning how to create a website and, develop a WordPress website. Sure, that's great. But just learning how to code a website in Bootstrap and how to code a WordPress website, standalone, those are just skills. They're just standalone. There's nothing really important about that. What's really special about those skills when you put them together and then when you take them in this course is you can significantly increase your income. You can improve your life by knowing how to do what I'm about to teach you in this course. Why are you wondering that? Well, whether you're a freelance designer, an entrepreneur, employee for a company, code hobbyist, or just looking for a new career, this course gives you an immensely valuable skill that will enable you to either make money on the side so that you can save up for that Hawaiian vacation that you've been wanting, help pay off your debt, your car, your mortgage, or simply just to have some bonus cash laying around, or to create a full-time income. WordPress developers, they have options. Many developers, they make a generous living creating custom WordPress themes and selling them on websites like ThemeForest. Freelance designers and developers can also take on WordPress projects and then make an extra $1 to $5K a month. That's pretty awesome. So yes, we're going to learn how to code a website, a responsive website in Bootstrap, and then we're going to make it dynamic with a content management system using WordPress. And that's awesome. But where the goods really come into play is that when you're done this course, you can make your money back tenfold in a single project. You can create a career out of this. You can improve your current career. You can get a raise at your job, or you can get a better job. You can stop waiting tables if you're an actor, and you could take on side jobs as a web developer and make way more money than you would ever make serving espressos or pizza. So what I'm trying to say here is you made the right decision because one, you're learning a really neat skill. Bootstrap and WordPress, web development, that's awesome. But two, you're going to have a valuable skill that you will have with you forever, as long as you keep it up to date, I suppose. But you could take that and change your life. It's changed my life. And I want to share that with you in the form of a really well-structured course. So I hope I live up to my excitement. Obviously, you can do what you wish with the course. You can take the course and leave a review and say, great, that was fun brushing up on my Bootstrap skills. Or you can take it and run and significantly improve your quality of life, your income, or just have a lot of fun. So yeah, I really hope you love this course. I've designed it in a way that you will love it. And if you don't, if it doesn't live up to your expectations or my excitement, then, well, you have 30 days here to just get your money back. So there really is no risk. I'm excited to teach you. Let's jump in.